Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Twitter account permanently. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, at the bottom you can see this option called Settings and Support. You want to click on Settings and Support, and basically this page will be expanded. Once this page is expanded, click on where it says Settings and Privacy. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, the first option where it says Your Account, click on Your Account. Now, once you click on Your Account, the bottom option where it says Deactivate Your Account, click on Deactivate Your Account. Now, deactivating your account basically means you're going to delete your Twitter account. If you deactivate your account and you do not reactivate your Twitter account again within the 30 days period, then your account will be permanently deleted. So remember that. So deactivate your account, and for 30 days do not log in into your Twitter account. After 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So scroll a bit down once over here and click on deactivate. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. So just enter the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, just click on deactivate at the bottom right. Click on yes, deactivate. And if the password is correct, your Twitter account should be deactivated just like this. So once you click on got it, your Twitter account will be deactivated. So don't log it into your Twitter account again for 30 days. And after 30 days, it'll be deleted. That's how you guys can delete your Twitter account permanently. Hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.